Welcome to Veggie Adventure!
Another empty morning.
Potato, you alive?
Barely.
Okay, your house needs a miracle.
Or a roof.
Whoa! That's eggplant. Of course it is.
You still live here?
For now.
Dreaming won't make you rich.
Neither will being rude.
Funny.
Maybe he's right.
About what? I'll never be rich. Forget that. Then let's change that. How? First, we need an idea. It's really hot!
Look around.
Everyone's suffering.
Maybe that's our opportunity. What if we build a cooling cart?
A cooling cart? Solar powered. Now you're speaking my language.
Interesting design. You think it can work? With a few changes.
That's a yes!
We can't afford new parts. Then we'll reuse old ones.
I found this.
Please tell me that's not from your house.
Maybe.
Wait. Is it working?
Definitely.
Okay, maybe not. We failed. Maybe this was a bad idea. Maybe I should quit.
No,
Why?
because quitting is boring.
Failure isn't end.
Isn't the end?
Then what is it?
Then what is it?
Another lesson. The wiring was wrong.
Can we fix it?
We can? We can!
That's what I wanted to hear.
It's working!
We did it! We did it!
Perfect. Now share it.
Does it really work? Try it. Free test.
I'll take one.
Our first customer! One cart. One cart.
5.
5 carts!
Keep going.
We're actually selling!
Potato sales are growing fast. Potato? Potato? Yes. Interesting.
We need a bigger factory. Much bigger. How big?
This big!
That's huge!
We'll pay $10 million.
10 million? You're serious?
Very serious.
Take the money! Think bigger.
I don't want to sell the dream.
So we're building it ourselves?
Together. We built this.
From nothing!
Now watch it grow. Let's work!
We're famous!
Huh? Already? Good work travels fast. 1 billion.
We're billionaires! From one broken house?
And one crazy idea.
You could build a mansion!
I remember where I started. That's why you deserve success.
I started with nothing, but you never stopped. You solved one problem and helped everyone. Success isn't money, it's what you do with it.
Welcome to our village.
If you believe in dreams, subscribe, and join Veggie Adventure.